I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make salad in the only way. Forget everything you thought you knew about tossing greens. This method is revolutionary. We're diving deep into a precise, four-step process that ensures every bite is a symphony of flavor and texture. Get ready to transform your salad game with our unique approach, guaranteeing a truly exceptional culinary experience. This isn't just a recipe, it's a philosophy for salad mastery. For our only way salad, ingredient selection is paramount. You'll need exactly 100 grams of the freshest romaine lettuce hearts, ensuring a crisp base. Next, incorporate 50 grams of thinly sliced English cucumber, adding a cool, refreshing element. Don't forget 25 grams of crumbled feta cheese for that essential salty kick. Finally, precisely 10 half cherry tomatoes will provide delightful bursts of sweetness. Now for the precise preparation. First, meticulously wash and dry all your vegetables using a salad spinner. This is crucial for crispness. Next, gently combine the prepared lettuce, cucumber, feta, and tomatoes in a large, pre-chilled mixing bowl. Drizzle exactly 2 tablespoons of high-quality extra virgin olive oil over the ingredients. Finish with 1 tablespoon of rich balsamic glaze, a small pinch of sea salt, and freshly ground black pepper. The final step is the only way presentation. Serve your masterpiece immediately in a single, wide, shallow bowl, allowing each ingredient to shine. Arrange the components in distinct, colorful quadrants, rather than mixing them, to highlight their individual beauty. Garnish with exactly 3 fresh basil leaves, placed symmetrically for visual appeal. Present it with a small, decorative fork, encouraging a thoughtful, ingredient-by-ingredient appreciation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.